Fifth, adjoint of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A whole power n minus 2 into A. So standard always Lion formula, A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A into In. So now I have to get in adjoint of A inside. So replacing A as adjoint A, replacing A as adjoint A, I am replacing A as adjoint A. So here I get as adjoint A into adjoint of, so this is also I'll write like this, adjoint of adjoint A, okay, adjoint A is equal to A place as adjoint of A determinant In. So here I got as adjoint of A into adjoint of adjoint A, adjoint of adjoint A is equal to, this formula is what? Determinant of A whole power n minus 1. Determinant of A whole power n minus 1 into In. Okay. Because this is it is a scalar. Determinant is a scalar and this is a matrix. So I should write In only there. If it is matrix, then I will remove In. So I need to remove this adjoint A because adjoint of adjoint A is required for me. So multiply A on both sides, pre-multiply or post-multiply. So if you multiply this adjoint of A into A now, A into adjoint A is both the same, into A into adjoint of adjoint A, adjoint of adjoint A is equal to determinant of whole power n minus 1 into A into In. Now A into In will become what? A. Now adjoint of A will become what? Determinant of A into In into adjoint of adjoint A. This is equal to determinant of to the power of n minus 1 into A into In is A. Now this determinant of A send this side. So what I am going to get here? In into adjoint of adjoint A is a matrix. So you get as what here? Adjoint of adjoint A. See, I will say these properties which I have taught. Go and watch again. Then only you will remember this concept. It's not easy. So adjoint of adjoint A is equal to determinant of whole power n minus 1 divided by determinant of A. Is a number. If it is 2 power n minus 1 by 2, like, is into A. So what I got as adjoint of adjoint A is equal to, I got the answer is determinant to the power of n minus 2 into A, hence proved. Next question, next property, last and final property for adjoint. We will do the problems based on the adjoint, so we will complete that. So we will start the inverse, okay, tomorrow. I think I'll do questions on the adjoint matrix more, right? Third, last and final property, determinant of adjoint A is equal to dash, adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A to the raised power n minus 1 whole square. So final property, all properties we have completed successfully with proof. So determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A raised power n minus 1 whole square when n is indicates the order of the matrix. Here n is indicates the order of the matrix all the time. Okay. So how to prove this one? Just before we have proved adjoint of adjoint matrix. What is the adjoint of adjoint matrix? Tell me. Before fifth proof. Adjoint of adjoint A is equal to how much? Determinant raised power n minus 2 into A. Now apply determinant on both sides. Here apply determinant, here apply determinant. So that is going to give the answer. So what you have learned, this a mod determinant of a power n minus 2 is a k. It looks like k, it's a constant. Determinant of k a is equal to k raised power n into a, because a is the order of n. So what do you get this one? Come on, tell me fatafat. What do you get this? This is, I gave the clue here, very easy. If this is that, what do you get here? Determinant of a to the power of n minus 2 is the k. That is only k, na? Yes. And this whole power how much? And you cannot tell this is a simple thing. After that, what do you get? Determinant a, na? Formula also you don't know. Determinant of Ka is equal to K raised power determinant A, na? So you get how much here? Determinant? Determinant A. So determinant to the power of A, what do you get here? This into this, m into n. Tell me how much? N square minus 2n into determinant of A. Power how much? 1. So what do you get here? Determinant of A, n square minus 2n plus 1. It means what here? Determinant of A raised power n minus 1 whole square. Listen here, simple thing. अच्छा. अब इधर से क्या मतलब चला आपको? What you understood? Tell me now, you speak to me first of all. Only, listen to me, first speak to me. What is the determinant of adjoint A? I explained already. Tell me. What is the determinant of adjoint A? Determinant of A raised power n minus 1. Now tell me. Now second point, tell me. Adjoint of A determinant formula is what? What do you got this is? Determinant of A raised power n minus 1 whole square. Now my next question. Adjoint of. Okay, adjoint of determinant. This is what you get. Determinant of A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. Acha, next point. Adjoint of A. This will be how much? Determinant will be how much? Determinant of A raised power n minus 1 power 4. Likewise you will get everywhere. This concept is clear. IIT चुटकी में होता है. चुटकी बोलते हैं ना, आप क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसा होता है. देखो. Start now. This is the question, JEE, advanced level question. Let matrix A, even mains also they can ask, mains level also. Let a matrix A is equal to x, y, z, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, where x, y, z belongs to natural number. Determinant of adjoint A is equal to 2 power right, 2 power 32, 3 power 16, then x plus y plus z equal to dash. It may be create two questions here. Such questions can be possible 3. X plus y plus z equal to how much they can ask, or number of such matrices how many possible. They can ask you two types of questions here. So I'll just tell you first type here. Adjoint of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of, just now I explained, n minus 1 raised power 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 32 into 3 to the power of 16, and here n is 3 by 3 matrix. So here you are going to get as 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 raised power 4. Determinant A power 16 is equal to 2 into 3 into raised power 16 into 2 I can write. Right. So 16 gone because bases are equalated powers. So determinant of A is equal to, you got 12. Determinant of this matrix, find out directly. Determinant of this matrix is what here? Determinant of this is equal to x into 2 2s are 4 minus 3 minus y into 1 2s are 2 minus 3 plus z into 1 1s are 1 minus 2. Correct? Am I right? Y into 1 2s are 2 minus 3, z into 1 minus 2. Correct? So what I get, determinant of A is equal to, I am going to get as x plus y minus z. It should get plus z. It should get plus z. See, make it a correction here. This is minus z. So this is a minus z. Minus into minus plus. So you get as x plus y plus z is equal to 12. So because determinant of A is 12. So you know three things dividing among the three things, you know na, like 12 balls among the 3% dividing 12 apples among the 3 persons, like we have did in the PNC. So we have to x plus y plus z, you are going to get that value is 12. This is correct. But how many values you get, that many matrices you will get. So x plus y plus z is equal to 12. Solution is what you have learned. X plus y plus z is equal to 12. Solution you have learned in the PNC, permutations and combinations. Remember? So formula is what? What is the formula? N minus 1 CR minus 1. Formula wise is there. I explained 2-3 methods. You follow any method. N minus 1 CR minus 1. So N is how much here? 12. 12 minus 1 C 3 minus 1. So how much I will get here? 11 C2. So how many matrices are possible? 11 C2. 11 C2 value is 55 matrices are possible. 11 C2 is 55 matrices. So I explained this is beggar method. I explained, even I told you this one. When we were, what is that?
Ball and stick.
Ball and stick. Ball and stick method. That's okay, fine. Okay, bye-bye, take care.